Assalamualaikum. Welcome in my math class. Today we learn about basic concepts of geometry. Firstly, I will tell you that what is geometry and where we use it. Okay, the definition of geometry is that the geometry is the branch of mathematics that studies the shapes, position, angles, and dimension of things. Simply, we say that geometry has many practical use in our everyday life, such as measuring circumferences, areas, and volume. When you need to build or create something, we use geometric. Geometric shapes also play an important role in common recreational activities, such as video games, sports, quilting, and food designs. We use geometry in constructions of building, constructions of dams, roads, bridges, in games, and many more other things. Here are some topics that we read in this class. Our first topic is point, second line, then ray, line segment, parallel line, perpendicular line, and angles. Let's start with our first topic. Our first topic is point. What is point? A point is pictured by a dot. It means a dot that we draw on a paper is called point, and we represent point with the capital letters. It means we read as point A, point B, and point C, and many other things. What is line? A straight path that goes without an endpoints in two directions. It means when points join together and extend indefinitely in two directions, that makes it means that line hasn't any ending points. That's why we use arrowheads at the both end of the line. It means that it travels in both directions and the line haven't any ending point. Okay, our next topic is ray. What is ray? Let's start with the definition of ray. A ray has n endpoints at one end and an arrow at the other end to show that it starts from one point and then goes forever in one direction. It means that we have our starting points but without an ending point. Its extent in one direction. A ray is extend in one direction. That's why we use arrowheads at the other end. Okay. A ray is also called half line. Okay, this is a ray and it is written as dash CM, and we use arrow one side arrow line on the top of the name. Okay, next topic is line segment. What is line segment? Here is the definition of line segment. The line segment is a part of a line with ends point at the both end. It means it is a straight path between two points. When point A and point B are joined together, that makes a line segment. Here is some short introductions of line ray and line segment. A line, it has no ending points, and ray, it has only one ending points and extend in one direction. But line segment, it has fixed lengths and two ending points. Remember, the length of line and array cannot be measured. It means we cannot be measured the length of line and ray, but we also measure the line segment. Parallel lines. Two lines on a plane that never meet are called parallel line. They are always at the same distance apart. Look at the line AB and CD. They are parallel and the same distance apart through. Parallel lines can be diagonal, can be vertical or horizontal. There are some examples of parallel lines. from our real life examples. Okay. Next topic is perpendicular line. Perpendicular line means at right angle, a line meeting or cross at the right angle or 90 is said to be perpendicular line. Here are some example of perpendicular line from our real life. A line that makes an angle of right angle is called perpendicular line. A perpendicular line symbol is the perpendicular line AB and CD. They both are perpendicular of each other. Our next topic is angles. Two rays having the same vertex makes an angle. It means when two rays meet at the common end point, it makes an angle. There are some shapes which show the angles. A triangle has three angles. Tri means three, that's why a triangle has three angles. And a square has four angles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, angles are measured in degree. It represented by a small circle. There are some kinds of angles. First we read about acute angle. An angle which is smaller than 90 degree or a right angle is called an acute angle. The next definition is right angle. An angle whose measure is 90. It means an angle which is 90 is called right angle. Next one is obtuse angle. The definition of obtuse angle, an angle which is greater than 90 or a right angle, is called an obtuse angle. Obtuse angles are between 90 and 180. Our next type is straight angle. An angle that is exactly 180 is called straight angle. An angle whose measure is 180 is called straight angle. The next one is reflex angles. An angle whose measure is greater than 180 and less than 360 is called reflex angle. I hope your concepts are clear about basic concepts of geometry. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.